This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Instagram app using an Android device. Let me jump over to my Android device here. I am on my Android device now and I have the Instagram app opened up. To enable or disable dark mode, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your little profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then you want to tap on Settings, and then you will go down to where it says Theme and tap on Theme. As you can see, I have mine set to light theme, but to change it to dark theme, I'm just going to tap on the little dark theme toggle. Now it has been changed to dark theme. That is how you enable or disable dark theme on the Instagram app using an Android device. Thanks for watching.